Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo. So let's have a continuation of our discussion. This time we'll focus on recognizing opportunity. So what is opportunity? Opportunity is a uh, situation in which the company uh, find it that they're going to make or improve their financial uh, resources. So this is the opportunity that they are looking for. So recognizing opportunities, uh, recognizing opportunities is a fundamental skill in entrepreneurship, business strategy, and innovation. It involves identifying unmet needs, emerging trends, or inefficiencies that can be transformed into viable venture or improvement. So what they paying for the research to find opportunity to expand the operation to have a big market shares, and then bottom line is to have more profit. So opportunity recognition is the process of identifying a potential product or service that could create value by solving a problem or meeting a demand. So meeting a demand, for example, there is a lack of, for example, McDonald's, introduction of fast food, no, in Africa, no, or India. So that's their opportunity to increase their market share. No? So it combines market awareness, creative thinking, and strategic insight. So all these things are product of they've been doing a research na, to know the situation. Creative thinking, it could be they're going to make a plan to seize the market, and and a strategic insight to maybe to handle the competitors. Na? So those are the uh, uh, important things. Na? Sources of opportunity can be market gaps. Now, market gaps means there is a need that are not met. Now, for example, in a certain area, no, people are queuing to rush for their work. So, bus or transport, no, that's opportunity. Technological advances. Apple leverage the iPhone, no, to converts technology capabilities into a device. No? Okay, so regulatory changes. No, company increase the tariff or lower the tariff. For example, some few years back, the government of the United States lowered the interest to 1%. Yeah, initially that's before it is 15%. So by having that, so a lot of company are taking the loan, take advantage of the 1% interest, and then uh, 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 loan it to the other country. So that practically they are using the advantages. No? The social demographic shifts. Now, people, now aging population led to demands for elder care services. So, elder care services uh, is rising, no, because of this demographic shifts. No? There are more and more uh, people under 70 and above who are millionaire or billionaire. No? So, services to them is a lucrative business. No? For example, medicine. Opportunity recognition in entrepreneurship. So, recognized by observing changing consumer behavior, personal pain points, watching industry disruption. So, all these things have a lot of things that people prepared can make money. For example, personal pain points, no? Solving personal pain points. So, medicine, no? So, watching industry disruption. So, new product. Changing consumer behavior, uh, maybe a creative product. No? So, example, Sarah Blakely recognized a need for shapewear. So this is a new that was comfortable and invisible under clothing, leading to the creation of Spanx, $1 billion business. No? So Sarah is making that. Zara is a high-end position to high-end apparel clothing for men and women. So methods and tools for recognizing opportunities, SWOT analysis. So they have to know the strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats. Pestle analysis, they have to know the political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental analysis. No? In any one of these things, they can enter a business. No? So customer feedback, we will have separate discussion for this one. Customer feedback, direct insight into unmet needs. No? So usually customer tells what they want. For example, during the early 90s, no? People says, I want a phone that have a video. I want to have a digital movie, no? So the direction of that technology then is to develop that one. And then it's a trillion business. No? So just know what the people wants and then develop a product for that one. That is opportunities. No? Design thinking, human is center problem solving to uncover hidden opportunities. Usually people tells what they want, what they feel, what they try to avoid. No? So in those instances, so we can make a product. For example, credit card. No? They introduce a launch. No? And most of credit card have a launch. So just like that. Application in business context. No? In the technological, so opportunity recognize cloud computing. So memory. So recyclable stories. No? Impact new service platform and revenues. No? In the retail, ethical consumption trend. Okay, brand loyalty and premium pricing. In the food industry, rise of beige, na, impossible foods beyond meat, na, disruption of traditional meat industry because they have uh, complained about KFC of killing chicken, so they go for alternative vegetable because they say chicken have a right, no, for life. So a little bit for the vegetarian, okay, is their opinion. But for the carnivores, it doesn't matter. Finance industry, fintech addressing underbanked populations, mobile banking platforms is the rise now. The the uh, the apps now, they can transfer money in the apps now. So barriers to opportunity recognition with cognitive bias, no? The belief of the people. Market myopia, they don't see or they oversee. Lack of diverse perspective. So the belief now of the management. No? So over reliance on existing business models. So they don't want to go outside of the box. They call it. No? So these are the barriers. No? Okay, these are our references. Okay, so let's end this segment and then let's move on to next segment. No? Bye for now. Thank you.